Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get iOS 27 on your iPhone 11. So guys, as you can see this, I have iPhone 11 and now I will show you how can you get iOS 27 on your iPhone 11. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, first of all go back to your home screen and now you have to simply open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to software update, and here you will see iOS 27. And if you don't see iOS 27 here, then you have to simply tap on beta updates from here, and after this you have to simply check this to iOS 27 developer beta. So guys, simply check this to iOS 27 developer beta, and after this go back, and now you will get the iOS 27 to update your device to the latest version iOS 27. So guys, in this way you can also get iOS 27 on your iPhone 11. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.